Yeah, I know, I just did a video of it, walk around and stuff, but I was listening to the exhaust and didn't seem like y'all got enough of it to know. But you can kind of see it's just all stock, everything. Just replaced the cat. And like I said before, on my walk around video, it's just got the cats taken off at a 45 with big dual tips that some people think look stupid on this little truck, but I think it looks nice. But I'm gonna give y'all one last video and maybe you can hear the exhaust a little bit better. This one's through a phone also, so it probably ain't gonna sound wonderful.